Hey guys, I'm JohnEsperancilla from Blue Stars Entertainment, and today I'm going to show you how to add custom filters to your Lightroom CC mobile application in your Android device. And this also works in your iOS device like iPhones and iPads. And let's start this episode right now. So first things first is go ahead and visit the link that I will show you here, or I'll just leave the link down below in the description box right here. So once you visit the link, you'll be redirected on a AdFly page, and you just skip the ad and you'll be redirected here. After that, go ahead and continue to website, just click that. So you are now redirected in this page. After that, go ahead and download the folder which contains the DNG files. This is going to be your presets that you can use for your photography edits as well. So right here, click the three dots in the top right corner and click direct download and wait for it to download. After it will download, it's just a zip file. You can extract it using a extractor like I use RAR. I'm going to leave the link for the download for that. It's going to be right here. So once the download is finished, you can now click on the summer presets .zip file. Click on that and you will be redirected to your RAR application or your extractor. Now once you're here in the extractor, just click all of these .dng files. You can click that and click it right here. Click that so you can extract it to your phone and you can open it in your Lightroom application. Now once you are redirected in this extraction options page, you can just browse the area you want it to be. For example, you want it to be on the download page. You can do it right there. Click OK after that and then click OK again. So once all the files are now extracted to your phone, you can now open your Lightroom CC application. Now you have opened the Lightroom CC application, you can now import a photo like you always do in Lightroom. But this time, you are going to be importing the DNG files that you have downloaded. Now just import a photo after clicking the icon with the plus icon that you choose to import photos. Then at the top right corner, you can see three dots right here. You can see that. Then after that, go ahead and click that and deselect JPGs and PNGs. Deselect that and you are now left with the raw files. Now if you don't know what is raw files, it's actually just a simple image for your eyes, but in real life it's actually a compressed image that consists all of the informations that you can tweak or edit, like brightness, contrast, color grades. But you are going to tell me JPG and PNG files, you can already edit them, but with raw files it's much more efficient and much better because you can edit a lot better and you can choose what area of the photo you can edit as well. Now after the DNG files is done importing, you can choose to import it right here. Let's wait for it to import. It'll just be fast. Okay, right here it's now finished, some of it. Now let's add a photo that we want to edit for now. So if you want to choose a photo to import that is not a raw file, you can go back ahead and click the three dots in the top right corner and select JPGs and PNGs as well again, and you are done. After that, you can select any photo you want. For example, I want this photo. You can import that to the device as well, just like a normal import. Now, once you if you want to edit, or add a preset, you can just click on any preset that is available for you that you have downloaded by this way, you can now click on the photo that you are going to choose, like this orange and teal. Now once you are redirected to this page, you can now click the three dots in the top right corner right here and click copy settings, select all and click OK. Now exit again and click the photo you want to edit or to apply it on. Now wait for it to load and click the three dots in the top right corner again and click paste settings. Now you have applied the filters that you downloaded. You can also edit them with the exposure. You can lower down the exposure, you can lower down the temperature, or you can adjust them and make it much colder if you want, and you can adjust the contrast. Everything is just a normal photo, and after that you can do whatever you want for your image. So as you can see right here, this is not the Pro Lightroom modded Lightroom version 2.3 as you have seen in my last video, because it won't work with that application as well. There's no copy settings option for that version, but I'm going to make another episode on the updated version 2.4 Lightroom, and the custom preset that is located for the version 3.3 I mean, APK is gone. It's just the selective edit and the other one, which is fix and adjust perspective right here. You can just use everything right here, just a normal stock Lightroom application without the crazy presets that is belong to the that is located to the application that I supplied to you last video. So after this, you are now ready. You can now exit on your device and your Lightroom. You can import it wherever you want. So, and there you go guys. It's a bit complicated on paper, but when you try it, you'll just get used to it. So guys, if this episode helped you a lot, it would be appreciated to leave a like and subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell icon so you can get notified every time we upload. So guys, see you on the next episode. Peace.